Hello, good morning students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, today I am going to explain a short story. You know that in a short story there is no annotations. If you listen the story, you will be able to understand and able to write very well. So the story name is that The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It is written by Ruskin Band, Indian writer. He got Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 and he got Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, all these awards he has got. ये एक छोटा सा कहानी में हमको क्या मोरल मिलता है? कोई भी अफवाह जो होता है, रूमर्स को बिलीव नहीं करना, यकीन नहीं करना. छोटा सा जो अफवाह कितना नुकसान करता है हमको. That is the main base of the story. There is a person called Nathu. The story starts with the character Nathu. He is a sweeper in a bank. The bank name is Pipalnagar branch. So he is having a lot of frustration because he feels that he is not getting the salary on time. Actually he is supposed to get on 1st, but he is getting on 20th of the next month. And not only that, his pay has not been increased for a long time. Just he was requesting for 2 rupees salary per increment, we can say, per year, but they are not doing it. So due to his frustration, he was very angry and not doing the work very properly, not sweeping properly. He has got a friend called Sitaram. Sitaram is a washerman, dhobi. So this Sitaram one day he was going to deliver the clothes. On the way he met Nathu, the sweeper at the bank. Then when he spoke to him, he said, I am not happy here because the bank management is not hiking the pay and at the same time not getting the salary on time. Then he said, okay, then what do you want to do? Then he said, I want to leave the job. I am searching for another job. Then he said, okay, I will try to help you. So this washerman, Sitaram, so he went, when he went to give the delivery of the clothes, he went to the house called Srivastava, Mrs. Srivastava. Then he said, he has got a friend, Mrs. Srivastava is in need of a person. Okay. Then he said, there is a sweeper is there, I know, his name is Nathu and he is ready to work. Why is he leaving the job? Then he said, he is now at present he is working in a bank, but the bank is not hiking the salary and same time they are not paying the monthly salary on time. They are delaying it. So regular salary has been delayed. But such a big bank, we don't believe they cannot pay the salary of the sweeper. Then whatever it may be, she said, okay, bring your friend, okay, call him and tomorrow you call him and I want to see him. So this Srivastava, she told to her husband that the same thing, see, bank is not paying the money to one of the sweepers, so you want to leave the job, okay. Then she talks to Mrs. Bhushan, her friend. Then see, now the story starts. Here is the start of the game of Afwa. How the rumors have been spread and what is the effect of rumors. So when she said to Mrs. Bhushan, she told to her husband, Mr. Bhushan. Then what she said, अभी क्या है, बात किसी दूसरों को साथ जाता है ना, हमारा बात दूसरों को बात है, थोड़ा उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है. सो इट विल बिकम ए गॉसिप. तुमने जो सुना है वो नहीं होता. बात को घुमा फिरकर बड़ा चढ़कर बताएंगे हम लोग उसको, which is not true. This lady said to Mrs. Bhushan that the bank is not paying the salary of a sweeper. Actually they are paying the salary and that shows that bank is not in a good condition. So then Mrs. Bhushan went to one of his friends, Kamal Kishore, who is operating a photo shop, and he said the same thing, that bank is not having any funds, they are unable to pay the salary to a sweeper. Then when it goes to next person, to other person, then they said bank is not able to pay any salary to the employees. All the employees have not been paid. So it has become a shocking news. Once the sweeper is not paid, how the other persons, other staff members, that means bank का हालत बहुत खराब है. So how can they pay the customers also? Customers have deposited a lot of amount. How can you expect to pay to them? Then this stock has gone to one, and it has gone to customers. It has gone. This matter has gone to a barber who was cutting the hair of somebody. Then he was worried because he has got an account and he has deposited some money in that. So he was in panic. I may lose my money. So immediately I should go to bank and I should withdraw my money. So he was in between. He left the person whom he was shaving and he left to the bank. So one of the elderly gentlemen, he thought what is going on. So he has made a call to the owner of the bank. Okay, the owner of the bank name is that. So he asked the bank owner and asked what is going on, but no one was lifting the phone. That means this talk has given more, strength to the rumor. Yes, that means he has left the place. He has ran away from this place. He was hiding somewhere because bank is not having any money. So this barber name is Faiz Hussain. Then everyone thought सारे पैसा निकाल देना हम लोग, नहीं तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएंगे, हम लोग को पैसा भी नहीं मिलेंगे. So everyone was afraid. So everyone started going to the bank. Then the bank manager said, we have got sufficient funds to you, don't worry. Then they didn't believe. Then we want to talk to the manager. Then he said, we are going to get the funds by evening. You please believe us. It is very difficult to pay to all of you at a time if you are all of you coming. So it is very difficult for you because all the customers started withdrawing the money. Bank emptied its funds, all the cash resources. So they are unable to pay for some of them. They are unable to understand at all what was happening. Why this many people are coming to the bank to withdraw the money? अचानक क्या हो गया? उनको बैंक वालों को कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा. So when the bank manager said, come to the next day, they were not in a position to listen him. अभी चाहिए हमको. We want the money now itself. We want to withdraw now itself. Then it was a very difficult situation. Then they thought, once manager is telling like that means money is not there in the bank. This has given confirmed the rumors. जो अफवाह है उसको confirm हो गया. अभी पैसा चाहिए हमको. So, but bank was unable to pay the money because on the spot they want the money. Next day morning, again people have come to the bank. Several mischievous person, those who are not even having the amount in the bank, they came there and they started making shouting. Okay, one of the persons, he has taken a stone and thrown on the bank windows, on the glass. So glass was broken. So he has thrown a brick at the glass window and he broke it. So this all happened only due to rumors. So it is the effect of rumors. Rumors, when you talk anything, when you say to somebody, how the shape and matter is changed like this. Next day, Nathu came to the bank. He was not aware what is going on because due to his small talk, this thing was happened. But he was not aware, not knowing he was the one who created all the disturbance, who created all the panic and nuisance. So this is a small story. So it is a non-detail. If you just write the story If you remember the story and if you write, you will get full marks because there are no annotations. However, once again you open your books and page number 17, the boy who broke the bank. I'll just explain once again, please listen. The story, the boy who broke the bank, deals with the plight. Plight means difficulty, difficult situation of underpaid or unpaid boys. They struggle to get better employment terms dramatically and lands the bank in trouble. So they struggle to get better employment or better amount that makes a bank into trouble, that leads into trouble. Exploitation, innocence of children, role of rumors. See what is explained in the lesson. Exploitation of children, role of rumors, how rumors are playing its role, and anxiety, eagerness, mob psychology. See, it is the psychology of mob. If you say something to them, they don't think even. They will just come and do some nuisance. This is all explained in this lesson. Now to the sweeper boy at the Pipal Nagar Bank. His request for a pay hike has not been considered. इन्होंने माना नहीं है. He has been requesting for a small pay hike. Hike means increase in the pay. Even his regular salary has not been paid till the 20th of the month. So that is the condition. In desperation, in lot of pain, in lot of worry, Nathu says he would leave that job. Sitaram, son of the washerman, promises to help him. Sitaram informed Ms. Srivastava, who is in need of a sweeper, that his friend Nathu is ready to work for her at the bank, has not paid the salary so far. So he said, the washerman said to Mrs. Srivastava that he has got a friend, he is ready to work with her as a sweeper. Mrs. Srivastava tells her friend Mrs. Bhushan that the bank has not been paying salaries to its employees. Mrs. Bhushan adds her own share of color to the news. So उनका साथ कुछ मसाला जोड़कर बड़ा चढ़कर बोल के वो बात बहुत बढ़ा दिया. Mrs. Bhushan adds her own share of color to the news and tells her husband, and the rumors spread like forest fire. See, जंगल में जो फायर आग लगता है तो उसको नहीं बुझा सकता. It will spread like anything. No one can stop it. Rumors also like that. Rumors are like fire. It spreads very fast. The owner's name is Govind Ram. He's the holiday, but actually this is the owner of the bank. In those days, the banks were managed by individuals, not nationalized. So the owner of the bank, he was making a holiday trip to some other place and not available to clear the problem. This strengthened the customer doubts. So once this man is not available, owner of the bank, this has given a lot of strength to the rumors. All the customers start rushing to the bank for their money. They agitate. They have shown a lot of resistance. Yes, give us our money. Like that they start agitation and damage the bank and its furniture and mainly its reputation. Reputation means the name, the fame of the bank has gone. The following morning, yesterday morning, Nathu, the sweeper boy, he came to the bank. He was not aware what was happened. He saw lot of scattered glass pieces. He murmurs himself when he would get his pay, because he was not aware what was happened. All these things he was not aware, because all these things was happened due to his talk, his small talk. Here there is a lot of fun also. See a person, you can see page number 20th. There is a beggar. Even a beggar has got account in the bank. The beggar has a crooked leg. He was acting like a beggar. Actually, he was not physically handicapped. He was just acting like that. He had been squatting on the pavement for years. So he was sitting on the pavement like a physically handicapped person, that you don't have the legs. He has folded the legs like that, but no one can say, see that they think that he up from the knees, he don't have the legs. He was sitting on the near to that place, and in the evening someone would come with a barrow and take him away. Actually, every day morning someone will carry him to the near to that place where he was begging, and evening time someone will carry him to the home. That was the practice going on. He had never been to walk. No one has seen him to walk. but now on learning, but now everyone was talking about the bank's condition, but now he has got account, but now on learning that the bank was about to collapse. Collapse means fall down, totally fall in business, going into great losses. This man, this beggar Ganpat, astonished everyone, surprised everyone that he was leaping, he was stood up and he started jumping and running on his feet and running to the bank. Actually running at a top speed in the direction of the bank. It soon became known that he had 1,000 rupees in savings. Later on people will come, like this, fun also included in this. Many people started so many talks, men stood in the groups of streets discussing the situation. Page number 20, you can see third paragraph. People like seldom had a crisis. People like never had a problem, that place, that village. But this is the first time. They never had earthquake, they never had flood, and never had any problem for a long time. But this is the first time, okay, this problem has been faced. All the people come together to the bank, and they were making the inquiries for the owner of the bank, that is Seth Govindaram. Someone said, they are making rumors. See, the rumors, no one knows the facts. One is telling that he had fled the place, he had run away from the place, and he had fled the country. Someone said, no, not only this place, even he is out of India, he has not gone out of the country. You know that if any fraud, anything happens, people will leave the country, like that. He was hiding. One said, no, he was hiding here only somewhere in this place. And someone said, he has hanged himself to the tamarind tree, said a fourth one, and he had been found that morning by the sweeper boy. Then someone said, no, someone has seen in the morning. Like that, these are all rumors, it is not facts. Actually, what is the fact? This man went to some Kashmir and all to enjoy the holidaying. So, there is a dilemma. What is the meaning of dilemma? Dilemma means a very problem that someone cannot decide anything. There is no choice for you to make. That's called, the bank is in a dilemma. Why? Because all the people have rushed up to the bank to take the cash. They don't have, but already the cash reserves are being completed. They have to get the cash from other place. But these people, they don't have the patience. They said, we want now only we want the cash. So among them, there is a mischievous player who is not even connected with the bank, he is not even a customer, or is not anything. He was among the mass. He has taken a brick and thrown on the bank windows. Okay? So, next day morning when Nathu came, he was not aware that whatever he spoke to Sitaram, this has made like a forest fire, and finally this thing has happened. So next day washerman came there last May. Are you ready to take up a new job from the 1st of next month? You will have, I suppose, now that the bank is going out of business. Then he said, washerman, he came and spoke to Nathu after all these things, after everything happened. Now earlier you said you want to change the job. Now are you ready? How is that? Because he said, one more thing he said, bank is going out of business because bank is going to be closed now. Then how is that? That was happened? I have not heard. It is better wait here until the half of the population will come to claim their money. Now you can see, you can just wait for some time. You can see all the people will come here to the bank to take their money because bank is in bankruptcy. Bank is going to be collapsed. And he waved cheerfully. He did not have a bank account and sped away on his cycle. Nathu went back to sweeping the steps, muttering to himself. When he had finished his work, he sat down on the highest step to await the arrival of the manager. He was determined to get his pay. What would have thought the bank would collapse? He said to himself and looked thoughtfully into the distance. I wonder how it could have happened. See, this boy, innocent boy, is not aware that all these things happened due to him only. Okay? So, how the rumors have gone from one person to one person. See, first Mrs. Srivastava said to her husband to Mrs. Bhushan, then Mr. Bhushan, then from there it has gone to Kamal Kishore, a photo shop owner. From there it has gone to a barber. From a barber, it has gone to elderly gentleman, and from elderly gentleman, it has gone to all the customers of the bank. So one by one, once the rumor, the अफवाह जब फैल जाता है, उसका इफेक्ट कितना बुरा हो जाता है, उसका नुकसान कितना होता है, आप समझ सकता है. So this is the small story about a boy who broke the bank. As you know that we don't have any annotations here, only question answers, only 4 questions we have. Out of the 4 questions, the first question is already given, and other questions I am going to send to you in the PDF in the group. So what the first question? Very important question. This is the first question, is very important. Why did Nathu grumble to himself? So only question answers. So grumbled means murmured, murmuring himself. The boy who broke the bank describes Nathu suffering in the opening lines. So he was suffering a lot because why he was suffering? He was not being paid regularly, and whatever increase he wants in the pay, it was not being given to him. He was working as a sweeper. He was for long been requesting for a hike of 2 rupees in his pay. Said Govindaram, the owner of the bank has not agreed to raise his pay. Not only that, even the regular salary has not been paid to him, and it's already the 20th of this month. Nathu is a poor boy with not much income and many problems. So he is grumbling to himself as he is sweeping the steps of the bank. He was murmuring himself when he was sweeping the steps. And 4th question, very most important question, how did the customers of the bank react to the news? So you know that when all the customers, when they could come to know due to the rumor that bank is not having any money, so they went there. All of them, they went there and started shouting that they want their money then and there, immediately. Then the bank manager said, you have to wait, you come to the next day. The next day morning, morning when they went there, what happened? One of the mischief makers, okay, one of the whom they were there among the group, he has taken a brick and thrown at the bank. Not only that, they would destroy the furniture and everything, and not only furniture, the reputation, the name and fame of the bank has gone. That is the reaction of the news of the rumors. So here another 2-3 minutes I will just take it. There are some 2 comprehensions. One is, what was the complaint of the sweeper boy? You know that what is the complaint? He was not getting the pay on time, and he was requesting for increment which has not been paid for 2 rupees. Where was the sweeper boy working and for whom? He was working for a bank in Pipal Nagar branch. Dash a bank would hold up a poor man's salary. Who is the poor man? Who is the poor man? Nathu is the poor man. Why did Nathu bang the pan against the dustbin to say his words more confidence? Give the synonym of the word salary. Salary का synonym क्या है? Wages, pay. The sweeper is unhappy with the bank. Okay? He is not happy, he is not satisfied, he is unhappy. One more comprehensive passage is there. What was there at the end of the bazaar? You can see at the end of the bazaar a large shady tamarind tree, Imlika tree. Where did Mrs. Srivastava find his friend? Under the tree. What was Mrs. Bhushan doing there and why? Bhushan was fanning herself with a large handkerchief. See, all the answers you can find in the passage itself. You need not to be worried, but you have to understand and read thoroughly with concentration. What was Mrs. Bhushan going to buy? It is very well written here. She was going to buy some clothes. In the fifth line you can see. They didn't talk much about the color, quality of that clothes. Say true or false. It is false. Name the place where the above meeting took place. Pipal Nagar Bazaar. And the last paragraph. What was Deep Chand? Barber. Why did Deep Chand cut his customers here? He was surprised by the news. So, in the hurry, in a confusion, in the anxiety, in the worry, he cut the ear of the customer. Why did the elderly gentleman go to the general store to ring up to elderly gentleman? Went to make a call to Seth Govindaram. then other things are not important. So if you listen the story, you will be able to write very well. So please, I'll send the notes to you. Prepare the notes and prepare well for your exams. Thank you.